How I created a custom trophy. So first we import an image and set the scale. Now I'm going to manually trace around all the edges I want. This process can be automated and made a lot easier with a high quality image. So skipping ahead of this tedious process, we now have all our sketch parts and we begin to extrude to our desired thickness. For the main body and base, I'll be using 10mm aluminium. The rest of the components will be 5mm aluminium. Alright, so I've grouped individual parts by colour and I'm now going to apply a colour to each component. Now we export our DXF files. I like to join the parts together so they don't fall into the water when cutting, and also add hanging holes for the powder coaters to easily hang our parts. Here's just a little clip of importing our DXF to our waterjet software, giving it a cut path. This is our waterjet in action. The machine uses high pressure water, 55,000 psi, and sand to cut through the aluminium. So now our parts have been cut. All we need to do is cut apart the joining tabs and give them a little tidy up. To make the gluing process easier, I'm going to drill some locating holes and use pins to ensure the parts are glued in the correct spot. This is just a little template I cut, just to spot the holes with the drill. And then we'll set our stop on the drill press and drill them to full depth. On the 5mm aluminium, we drill them to a depth of 3.5mm, and on the 10mm aluminium, we're going to go to about 8mm deep. The parts are then sanded and test fit. The main logo is welded to the base plate. This is easily done by placing some packers underneath it to help with alignment. Once done, we do one more test fit and off to the powder coat as it goes. Here's a little shot of the powder coaters coating the main body. Right, I've received the parts back from the powder coaters and it's time for the final test fit before gluing the parts together. As you can see, the pins help locate the parts very easily. I like to use a Sikaflex polyurethane glue to stick the parts down.